Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Face ID settings are grayed out on your iPhone. So to fix this, first go to Accessibility Settings. Now in this menu, you will need to scroll down and tap on Face ID and Attention. Now here make sure all these three toggles are enabled. So you will need to enter your lock screen code to enable them. So go through each of them and make sure they are all enabled. Now go back to the main settings page. Now scroll down and then tap on screen time. Here go to content and privacy restrictions. Now here make sure this toggle is turned off. Now go back to the main settings page again, tap on general and then tap on software update. If there are any pending software updates, make sure to install them from here. If nothing else works, your last option is to go to transfer or reset iPhone menu. Now tap on reset and then select reset all settings. So this won't erase any data on your iPhone. However, this will reset all the settings and hopefully solve your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.